Okay, so first we're going to go over how to actually get to your data. So this will be how you actually get to the analysis cluster where your data was stored at from the instrument. So first thing is, if you go to a web browser, you can access it two different ways. One through the web browser, and then another is through an application that you can get. But if you go to analysis.sns.gov and click on this, this is how you can remote access your data. So from here, you can just go ahead and launch a session. And this will give you your username and password. And these will be your XCAMs or UCAMs passwords that you use for the facility. So I'm going to go ahead and put in mine. Don't save. And then if you move, then you'll have to log in one more time, but you'll see it's a user. But this should be familiar to you from the interface at the instrument if you were there to collect your data. And now you are logged into the analysis cluster, and this is where all of the data is stored for the instruments. Now another way, so this view is good in the sense that you can just log into this again from any other computer through the web browser, and that you'll have your session stored. And another one that is good, where you don't have to deal with the browser itself, is this ThinLink client. So if you download that, I've already downloaded it, but you can click on here for your respective systems. Download it. It'll be specific to if you have Windows, Mac, or Linux. But if you launch this application, what you can do is you can put in the server, analysis.sns.gov, your username, your password. A couple of things are, you'll note that there's some instructions here where after you have installed ThinLink and you've launched it from here, you need to first go to the options for your screen. You need to make sure that you have something reasonable for the screen size. You want to deselect the full screen mode, make sure that it is not enabled over the full screen mode over all monitors. And then in the security, you want to make sure that it'll be default to 2.2. You want to make sure that you put in a custom one of 2.2.2.2 in the security SSH port. So once we've done that, we can hit OK. And now again, we're going to use our username and our password. And if we connect with this, you'll see we get the exact same view, but now you have the full screen where you don't have the browser search bars above. So this is just kind of nice whenever you're logging in. So, thank you very much.